When you change develop into the past tense, beta, Divya, sorry, Sandhya, open the door. Right. Develop. The past tense of develop is developed, not developed. So sometimes you add ed, but you pronounce the, not the. Help. Helped. Not helped. 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 The sound. It's a little strange. It's a strange that you add ed, but you pronounce helped. कई लोग तो helped पढ़ते हैं. Laugh. Laughed. The sound. तो ये कैसे डिसाइड होगा when to pronounce the, when to pronounce the? How will you decide that? It depends on, pay attention.
Good evening, sir.
Depends on the last sound of the verb. Say help. Help. The last sound of help is? What is the last sound of help? I want your attention. Say help. H-E-L-P, help. What is the last sound of help? Pa sound? Pa, help, pa. So we pronounce helped. So every time the last sound is pa and you add ed, it will be ta. For example, another verb which ends with pa. Give me another verb which ends with pa. Sleep. Okay? लेकिन sleep का V2 तो slept होता है, SLEPT. ED तो लगता नहीं. लेकिन एक verb है slip, 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 ससर जाना, slip. तो उसका V2 slipped. उसमें भी ट पढ़ेंगे, ड नहीं, slipped. यानी जब भी कोई verb प पे खत्म हो रहा है उसमें ED लगा रहे हो, you will pronounce it t. Pa sound. Let's take one more sound.
Stop.
Chip, chipped, chip,
Stop.
chip. Stop. Very good example. Stop. S-T-O-P. Very common verb. Stop. S-T-O-P. Stop. So what is the V2 of stop? ड के ट, क्योंकि वो प के बाद है तो रहेगी वैसे ही होना. स्टॉप्ड. सीखे नहीं कि प के बाद वो ईडी को क्या प्रोनाउंस करना है? ट प्रोनाउंस करना है, टी नहीं, ट प्रोनाउंस करना. बोलेंगे कैसे? स्टॉप्ड. Now, after pa sound, let's have another verb. Attack. I gave you that example. So what is the last sound of attack?
Attacked.
The last sound of attack is?
Attacked.
The last sound of attack is ka. So all the verbs with ka, if you have verbs which end with ka, you add ed, ta ही pronounce करना है. चलिए देखिए दूसरा. Kick. Kick. तो उसका V2 करो.
Kicked.
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 T.
Kicked.
Not kicked. Kicked. First column. Work.
Worked.
Worked. Worked. Worked. Got it? तो क और प हो गया. एक और देता हूं. Laugh. यानी फ के बाद भी वही करना है. क के बाद, प के बाद, फ के बाद. ईडी आया तो क्या प्रोनाउंस करना है?
Laughed. TT.
And one more. finish. यानी श साउंड, श भी आखिरी वाला हो तो फिर उसमें भी ट साउंड आएगा. Finish. Rush. Rushed.
Finished.
अब यहां से डिसाइड
Finished.
which will go in the first column. Which verbs will go in the first column? Come on, everybody.
Finished.
Okay. Now look at all these 20 verbs here. Which ones will go in the first column? Ta column. चलिए. Come on, do it now.
Watched.
Worked. Okay. Next. Watched. Liked. Talked. ड बोल रहा है. हम ट बोले तो ड बोल रहा है. समझ ही नहीं रहा कि क साउंड है आखिर में, तो ड को ट ही प्रोनाउंस करना है. लर्निंग वेरी स्लोली. Stopped. Finished. Walked. These are the verbs which will go in the first column. The rest of them will go in the second or third. It doesn't matter. Second, third doesn't matter. The first column is important. Let's read some sentences.
He worked in an office.
He worked in an office. Number 1, 3. We lived in a small house.
I watched a good program on TV.
I watched a good program on TV.
I watched a good program on TV.
She talked about her
She talked
childhood.
about her childhood.
She talked about her childhood. She talked about her.
Childhood.
4.
We moved out of
Moved out
London.
We moved out of London. We moved out of 5.
She started a new job.
Started a new job.
She started a new job.
I earned a lot of money. 7.
I
She
stopped
stopped at
We stopped at a
hotel.
8.
We stopped at a hotel. We wanted a
we
pizza.
wanted
Wanted a
pizza.
pizza. 9.
He died in
He died in
1988.
Died in
1988.
1988. तो कुछ वर्ब्स में डी रहेगा, लेकिन प्रोनाउंस क्या करना है? क्या? Hey guys, I want your attention here. Stop. Irregular verbs. What is the past of see?
See.
Seen.
Saw.
Saw.
What is the past of
Saw.
give?
Gave.
Gave.
What is the past of leave?
Left.
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 Yes. We shall go. Instead of Sandhya, I think you should call Divyanshu. Okay, Sandhya, go. Shut the door behind you. क्या होता है इसका मतलब बेटा? Shut the door behind you मतलब जाते हुए दरवाजा बंद कर देना. Shut the door behind you. Shut the door behind you मतलब अच्छा, कैसे हुआ इसका ये भी समझ लीजिए. आप जा रहे होते तो पीठ आपकी होती है ना दीवार दरवाजे की तरफ, तो शट द डोर बिहाइंड यू. What is the past tense of leave? What is the
Left.
past tense of have?
Left.
What is the
Have.
past tense of
Had.
come? What is the past tense of go?
Came. Went.
Went.
Past tense of make? Past
Made.
tense of catch?
Made.
Caught.
Caught.
Caught. Past tense of lose?
Caught.
Lost.
What is the past tense of sent?
Sent.
Sent.
What is the past tense of write?
Wrote.
What is the past
Wrote.
tense of eat?
Made.
Made.
Past tense of win? Won.
Won.
What's past tense of begin?
Began.
Began.
Exercise 2 is a very good practice.
Begin.
Intonation. Practice of intonation. क्या होता है intonation? किसी एक खास वर्ड पे जोर डालना. देखो कैसे. I didn't go to New York. I went to Chicago. I didn't go to New York. I went to Chicago. 2. We didn't meet Tom. We met Harry. We didn't meet Tom. We met Harry. We didn't meet Tom. We met Harry. 3. He didn't leave last
He
week.
didn't leave last week.
He lost yesterday.
He left yesterday. He didn't leave last
Left.
week. He left
Yesterday.
yesterday.
Left.
Tawfiq, come here. Oh, you don't have the book there. You have given your book to them. Sit there. Let's see. We didn't see a film. We saw a play. Mihu, shut the door. Shut the door. She didn't understand when I asked her to shut the door behind her. Five. I didn't buy a
Buy a computer. I bought a camera.
I didn't buy a computer. I bought a camera. 6.
I didn't send
Didn't send a
Send a
letter.
letter.
an email.
He sent an email.
He sent an email. He didn't send a letter. He sent an email. 7.
He didn't make
a
her tea.
spaghetti. She made
She
lasagna.
didn't make spaghetti. Spaghetti.
8. We didn't have white wine. We had
We
red
didn't
wine.
have white wine. We have red
He had
wine.
red wine.
He had red wine.
चलो अब सारी तुम्हारी बारी. Number 1.
Didn't. I didn't go to New York. I went to Chicago.
Chicago.
To
2.
Chicago. We didn't meet Tom.
Tom. We met
Met
Harry.
Harry.
अरे हम टॉम से नहीं मिले थे यार. हम लोग हैरी से मिले थे. We didn't meet Tom. We met Harry. 3.
He didn't leave last week. He left yesterday.
He didn't leave last week. He left yesterday. अरे वो पिछले सप्ताह थोड़ी गया था. वो कल गया. He didn't leave last week. He left yesterday. 4. Full. We saw a play. 5.
I didn't buy a computer. I bought a camera.
I didn't buy a computer. I bought a camera. 6.
He
He
didn't send a
didn't
letter.
send a letter.
He sent an
He
email.
sent an email.
He didn't send a letter. He sent an email. 7.
He
He
didn't make
didn't
a
make
speech.
He made last.
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 Now, sentences about you. अब आपके बारे में. जैसे मैं example देता हूँ. I didn't get up at 4 o'clock. I got up at 5 o'clock. Okay? I didn't eat eggs for breakfast. I didn't eat eggs for breakfast. I ate roti and sabji. I didn't have a bath in the morning. I had a bath in the afternoon. Come on, guys. Similar. Everybody, try. अपने बारे में बताइए कुछ. बारी.
I didn't get up at 4 o'clock. I get up at 7 o'clock.
नहीं, गलत हो गया बेटा.
I got up.
Yeah.
I didn't eat eggs for breakfast. I eat fruit
नहीं,
for
ate.
breakfast.
Ate.
Ate.
हम नहीं खाए थे अंडा. हम fruit खाए थे. I ate. In positive sentences, we use the past tense, past form. Come on, everybody.
I didn't bath on afternoon. I bath in morning.
Very good. I didn't have a bath. आप कह रही है Janvi didn't have a bath in the afternoon. She had a bath in the morning. Okay. Everybody, give me an example.
I didn't cook food. I bought a hotel.
I went to a hotel.
I bought from hotel.
Ah, okay. बहुत अच्छे. I didn't cook food. I got a takeaway. I got a takeaway. बाजार से लिया है. हाँ, ठीक है. Carry on, people. सच बताइए अपने बारे में. क्या आता है doesn't? क्या होता है doesn't? What is I doesn't? क्या पढ़ रहे हैं हम लोग? Past tense. Past tense में क्या यूज करते हैं? क्या यूज करते हैं? हाँ, तो फिर doesn't क्यों बोला? Be careful. Carry on, people. Think and speak carefully. बहुत सारी बातें हैं. हाँ ना करके दोनों बात बोलेंगे. I didn't teach Hindi. I taught maths today. हर्ष बोलो बोलो दिमाग नहीं काम कर रहा मैं क्या पढ़ा रहा हूँ नहीं समझ में आ रहा है तो बोलो जल्दी Divya, give an example. Piyu, give an example. Guys, think and give an example from your life today. I didn't have breakfast downstairs today. I had breakfast upstairs. I didn't have breakfast downstairs today. I had breakfast upstairs. I didn't go
I
to school
didn't
today.
have
I stayed at home. I didn't go to school today. I stayed at home. बोलिए
I didn't breakfast at upstairs. I breakfasted downstairs.
By the way, I have breakfast मतलब नाश्ता करना है. I breakfast no. I
I
had
didn't. I have. I did. I didn't stay at home. I went to school.
well done. चलो इतरत शबनम your turn.
I didn't go to outside on weekdays. I went on weekend.
हिंदी
मैं वीकडेज में बाहर नहीं जाती हूँ मैं वीकेंड पे बाहर गई थी
डिडेंट से जाती हूँ बता रही हैं कितना समझदारी है ना डिडेंट से
नहीं
जाती हूँ
गई थी
तो कोई बात ही नहीं है ना आप गलत बोल रही हैं ना थोड़ा सोच के बोलिए पहले कि आपको बोलना क्या है बीच रास्ते में अपनी हिंदी नहीं बदल सकते आप कम ऑन बातें सोच के बताइए क्या बोलना है स्टिल वेटिंग दिव्या पीयू आई एम स्टिल वेटिंग फॉर एन एग्जांपल फ्रॉम यू गाइस अदिति today बोली today I didn't go to college I went to a cyber cafe well done Aditi didn't go to college today she went to a cyber cafe
Today I didn't get up 5 o'clock. I got up 6:30.
repeat Gudiya
Today I didn't get up 5 o'clock. At 5 o'clock, I got up at 6:30.
okay Gudiya didn't get up at 5 o'clock today she got up at 6:30 Harsh where is your sentence I didn't drank नहीं didn't drink didn't के बाद V1 आता है ये ध्यान रखना I didn't drink sattu today you ate roti all right very nice example very nice true na good
I was unwell yesterday, but I didn't take any medicine.
very good Abdul Abdul was unwell yesterday but he didn't take any medicine who else will give an
I am
example
very well right now.
very nice Abdul Divya I haven't heard your example yet Piyu come on you sisters Pari Aryan attended class. Pari did not attend her Hindi class today. She attended her sports class. Okay. What sports did you do? Kabaddi? Not bad. On the mat. On the grass. On the ground. The ground is cemented ground or what? Cemented ground. Kabaddi on the cemented ground. Well, I wouldn't take that risk. Not with girls. No. Very
I
risky.
didn't sleep in the afternoon. I did some housework.
Very nice. Guria did not sleep in the afternoon. She did her housework. How did you do that? How did you do that? कैसे किया तुमने ये? Huh? Turn around. Yeah. Why are you keeping it there? Suraj, you could have put it here. All right, people, continue. Divya, example. Few example. Those people who can give examples, please do. Sisters, Tab, Tuba. Okay. Okay. Tuba didn't meet her friends yesterday. She met her parents who came from Sheikhpura. Okay. What about you? Yes, Piyu. Don't. But we are talking about past time. Okay, you don't what? ये सच है लेकिन ये प्रेजेंट है. किए थे बस बोलना है. क्या किए थे क्या नहीं किए थे, है ना? पास्ट. Yes, Ayush. You guys are taking a lot of time to give examples. Aditi, you haven't given an example yet.
Play football.
Havni chahiye. Didn't play football today in the morning. I played. जो भी बोलना है बोलिए. सच क्या है? कोई फुटबॉल खेले थे कि नहीं खेले थे? हिंदी हिंदी हिंदी. बोलेंगे I didn't play football today, but I went to the ground. But I. Okay, good. Yes, Divya. An example sentence. You, yes. Very good. Next. सादिका कोई एग्जाम्पल नहीं समझाना कि मैंने आज ये नहीं किया ये किया. हिंदी. तो सॉ प्ले मतलब गेम खेला. सॉ मतलब खेलना होता है. तो आई प्लेड अ गेम. I didn't watch a movie today. I played a game. Well done. I know she copied it there and she did not understand it. Who was speaking? Anybody else? Aryan, have you given an example yet? Stop the murmuring, everybody. Think in your head and speak out loud. Yes. You didn't go home. You went to Rajgir. Okay. You didn't go home. You went to Rajgir. All right. आप घर नहीं गए थे, राजगीर गए थे. Okay. Next. Yes. Divya. Example. Divya, I can't hear you. Go ahead. Give your example sentence. Come on, Divya. Well done, well tried. इंग्लिश में तुम्हारी आवाज बड़ी प्यारी लगती है, पता है? Your heavy voice, that you have a strong voice that you have, suddenly becomes very soft in English. Did you guys notice those people who know Divya's voice? Did they notice this? She sounds so sweet in English. In Hindi, she sounds like, a folk singer. She's got very, very loud voice. Yes. Who else will give an example? और कुछ नहीं बोलना, बोल के नाम नाच लिया, आप तो सोचना नहीं है दोबारा कुछ और, तो बोल जल्दी.
I read a story.
My friend called me.
Yes, Guria.
Today I didn't read a newspaper. I read a book. A story.
You didn't read the newspaper. You read a book or wrote a book?
Wrote. I wrote a book.
Yesterday your friend called you. Pick up. Yesterday your friend called you, but you didn't pick up. Are you angry with your friend? You were not there. Huh? Because I was too busy. I was too busy. Wow. She didn't have time for her friend. Aniket. ये किए थे, वो नहीं किए थे. Right? You didn't buy a sandwich. You bought a samosa. All right. सैंडविच नहीं खरीदी थी, समोसा खरीदी थी. और समूचा समोसा. हाँ, समूचा समोसा. Okay. Yes. हाँ, वेरी गुड. आगे बोलिए, नेगेटिव करिए. साइंस क्वेश्चन सॉल्व नहीं किए थे, मैथ्स क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किए थे, ऐसे बोल सकते हैं. I didn't solve. I solved
Science.
maths questions.
I solved math question.
बहुत अच्छे.
I didn't solve English questions. I solved science questions.
Very good. दिमाग में कुछ गया, आपके गया? चलिए बोलिए.
I wanted this, but I was busy.
नेगेटिव सेंटेंस नहीं मिला मुझे एक भी. मैं चाहता था कि एक नेगेटिव और एक पॉजिटिव आता, जैसे इतने लोग बोल रहे थे.
Today I wanted to play chess, but I didn't have the time to play.
वेरी गुड. एक ही बात को एक ही वर्ब को दोनों तरह से बोलिए. ये नहीं किया, ये किया, एक ही बात. यस है. I didn't brush my teeth with Colgate. I brushed my teeth with Close-Up.
I brushed my teeth with not electric brush, but a normal brush.
और ऐसे बोलिए, I didn't brush
I
my
brushed
teeth
my-
with an electric brush. I brushed my teeth with a normal brush.
I brushed my teeth with Colgate. I didn't brush my teeth with Close-Up.
With Close-Up. Okay, your turn. I didn't read a Hindi book. Huh? I read which book? English book. तो तूने तो कहा था I didn't read Hindi book. तो फिर पढ़ा कौन सा? तूने I didn't read my Hindi book. तो पढ़ा कौन सा? ये तो बता. I didn't read my Hindi book. I read my. हाँ, फिर से. वेरी नाइस.
But sir,
बोल, अंकिता मिस नहीं मारी थी हमको, माधव सर मारे थे. कैसे बोलेंगे? अंकिता मिस didn't beat me.
Madhav sir beat me
Madhav sir beat me
very well.
badly, very badly. ओके भाई, आर्यन कितने एग्जाम्पल दिए तूने? शेम शेम शेम। भाई है कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स? आप नए हैं इसलिए बोल नहीं रहा ज्यादा, अगर कंफर्टेबल फील करेंगे तो बोलेंगे कुछ।
Today I stay at
I didn't go to the gym today, I stayed at home. Well done. You didn't go to Kolkata, you went to Rajgir. Lovely. Yes, sir ji. Peanut bread. Okay.